Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to remove screen lock from the Samsung Galaxy M32. If you set a pin, pattern, or other lock screen method and forgot it, here's what to do. First, connect your device to a charger. Hold down power key and volume down until the device turns off. When you see the charging screen, release both keys. Then hold down power key and volume up until the Samsung logo appears. Release power key but keep holding volume up until you enter recovery mode. Unplug the charger and use volume keys to navigate. Select Wide Data Factory Reset, then confirm with Factory Data Reset. After data wipe is complete, select Reboot System now. Your device will restart in a few minutes and the screen lock will be removed. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.